On August 12, 2019, Auditor Kathy Heck spoke before Athens City Council to propose that an ordinance be passed to collect delinquent income tax debt. The ordinance was passed, so we sat down with the auditor to learn more about the new way to pay income tax debt in Athens, GovPay Net. Why did the city decide to implement card payment services?
Well, we decided to implement this service to accommodate our taxpayers' requests. Credit and debit cards are a more common form of payment these days than checks or cash. It's also more convenient for our taxpayers because they can utilize the credit card payment online or over the phone 24/7, 365 days of the year. They can also pay with a debit or credit card at the City Income Tax Department from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. And if the taxpayer is on a payment plan, he or she can register with GovPay.net to set up monthly recurring payments. They will send an email reminder to the taxpayer 2 to 3 days in advance of the debit due, when the debit is due, and this option will be available in November.
What type of tax payments can be made using this service?
Well, any individual or business taxpayer who's already registered with the City of Athens Income Tax Department can pay estimated payments, withholding payments, reconciliation payments, tax liability payments, penalty and interest payments, and past due balances.
Why did the city choose GovPay Net?
Well, they're a very reputable company. We did research for this. They've been working with government agencies for over 22 years. They process 41 million transactions annually. They process other types of business payments also, not just tax payments. And they process $1.6 billion in payments on an annual basis. Also, GovPay Net has a low convenience fee for our taxpayers. 2.25% on the dollar amount paid online or in person at the Income Tax Department, and 2.25% and $2.50 to use the GovPay Net's call center to call in.
When will my payment post to my tax account?
It will post to your account within 24 to 48 hours from the date the credit is charged to your card. If a payment is made over a holiday or weekend, the payment can take up to 72 business hours to post to the taxpayer's income tax account.
Where could someone find GovPay Net?
Well, if you just Google them online, number one. If you have any questions specifically or want direct information from our office, you can call our Income Tax Department at 740-592-3337.